Hello guys, welcome back to my video. If you had watched all my tutorials, now you might know how to spawn your 3D objects and give them proper physical properties and finally make your world bright by adding cameras and adding lights. And thus, in this video, I would like to demonstrate how to make your own environment and also want to give you a small project assignment. So first, just watch my demonstration first from here. Today's example, today's project is this one. Project Hello Little Library. Alright, if I learn my example, you can watch this beautiful simulation and building. Yeah, this one. This one looks like an old wooden building, and I wanna make this place a library. So I downloaded desk and bookshelves, computer, chairs models from Sketchfab, which are usually can be found from library. And you can find those model files from our example GitHub code. This is our GitHub code, and here in USD folder, you can find all those USD-Z files. So do you remember what we should do with those files? Yes, we need to upload those files on our Nucleus server to share with ISACSIM. So click this Nucleus Navigator and launch this. This is the Nucleus Navigator, and from localhost and projects, load balance edu. This is my environment, but my folder, but it will be a little bit different in your local machine. By the way, you have to drag and drop all those USD files into this place. I highly recommend to use this location, localhost/projects/load balance edu. So now it's time to dive into code. In this class, in this example, hello little library, look at this, in this class, yeah, I already defined a few class variables for our models. You can find this link like omniverse/localhost projects load balance edu/library.ustc. That's why I mentioned about using these place for your local Nucleus server path. And after that, if you look at this setup scene function, in here I had implemented some add something functions for adding objects or backgrounds or cameras or bookshelves. But I only implemented add background and add lights function. This one, first one, add background, which is for adding a building model and setting its translation, rotation, scale, and finally physical properties. The next one, add lights. I implemented 4 sphere lights and gave them a few basic properties like radius, intensity, and translation. Okay, so what you need to do is implementing those 6 functions. For first one, add camera, you need to spawn your own camera with proper position, rotation, and scale. And from add bookshelves to add office chairs, I already gave you USDG files and defined class variables for you. Look at this. So all you need to do is just spawning and modifying them properly. Lastly, I highly recommend to adding your own objects. This function add my objects is for that. Download brand new USDZ files from Sketchfab and put them in your Nucleus server here. And finally implement your own Python function for your own objects. Yes, although this is a project for your self-studying, I made an answer code for reference, but please don't cheat it. And I recommend to do it by yourself first. You can use my answer just for reference. To be honest, there's no exact answer. Everybody's implementation can be different, and also my implementation is not exactly right. So please don't cheat it and do it by yourself first. Alright, so good luck for your project, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.